Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to transfer DITO load balance to GCash. DTO load is locked for telecom services only, which is why GCash no longer accepts telecom load as a payment method, unlike before when some networks offered a load to GCash feature. DTO's own app also does not support sending load to GCash. However, one alternative is to go to GCash and purchase DTO load. Here, you can select DTO as the provider, choose your load amount, and pay via GCash. But keep in mind, this is only from GCash to DTO, not the other way around. You can also give your DTO load to friends and family in exchange for GCash. This is one way to convert DTO load into GCash funds. Overall, however, you cannot directly transfer your DTO load balance to GCash because DTO load is only usable for DTO services like calls, texts, and data, not for e-wallet transfers or cash outs. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.